Welcome. Today we're exploring a unique teaching experiment that took place at the Taipei Zoo. In many East Asian contexts, including Taiwan, education often focuses heavily on the transmission and memorization of knowledge. There is a significant gap in practical experiments that focus on interpersonal skills like empathy. Our project, titled Effects of Conversational Teaching, involved 120 10th grade students from diverse academic backgrounds. We wanted to see if a conversational, interactive approach could move students beyond rote learning to deep, empathetic reflection. To ground our work, we turned to Jean Piaget's cognitive development theory. Since our participants are 10th graders, they are in the formal operational stage. This means they have the abstract thinking skills necessary to grasp complex emotional and moral concepts. We used a storytelling approach based on the historic move of the Taipei Zoo to trigger Piaget's process of equilibrium. First, students take a human perspective, like a zoo planner, which often fits into their existing assimilation schemas. Then, we challenge them to switch to the animal's perspective. This creates disequilibrium, forcing them to accommodate new information and hopefully reach a higher state of equilibrium, a complex, empathetic understanding of both sides. So, how did we do it? We moved away from traditional frontal teaching. Teachers sat in a circle with the students to reduce hierarchy and encourage organic social interaction. One of our most popular tools was Kirby, a squishy plushie used as a talking stick. It managed turn-taking while serving as a tactile stress reliever for shy students. To support our learners, especially those in the International EFL class, we provided helping cards. These included vocabulary lists to bridge the language gap and sentence starters to help students articulate complex feelings in English, alongside supportive worksheets to guide their reflections. The environment was also a key factor. Using a semi-public space at the zoo allowed for a real-world connection, though it brought challenges like noise and heat. For assessment, we used the 5-finger feedback method. It's a playful design where each finger represents a different reflection area. The thumb is for what was great, the index finger for what was learned, the middle finger for what can be improved, the ring finger for specific takeaways or lightbulb moments, and the pinky for what was missing. Students used stickers for quantitative sentiment and post-it notes for qualitative thoughts, providing a complete sentiment profile for the session. What were the results? Despite the noisy environment, students showed high affective engagement. Many articulated feelings from the animal's perspective, using words like worry or curiosity, proving they could bridge the gap between an abstract story and their own personal experience. In conclusion, conversational teaching provides a powerful roadmap for moving beyond memorization toward genuine empathy in the classroom. Thanks for watching.